Yes, Mrs. Weaver, I finished my report. My report is on good hair or bad eyesight. But I did my research this time, Mrs. Weaver. And here's the Wikipedia pages and everything. But what's up, Lodielocks stars? Now I know why you're here. You have finally decided to embrace your curly, kinky, natural, fabulous self. But the decision to go natural can seem kind of scary. It's a change in your routine, and you might have some questions and concerns about that. Sometimes it might even seem like a hard-knot life.
It's the hard-knot life for us. It's the hard-knot life for us. Instead of silky, we've got kinks. Instead of flowy, clogs up sinks. It's the hard-knot life.
But it's not scary. Yes, it's a change in your routine, but it's not at all impossible. Think of all the benefits to not only your health, but your self-image. But what do you do about all the naysayers who are gonna come into your life and tell you what you can and can't do with your hair? Well, you're gonna have to stay tuned to find out.
Be sure to like up this video and hit that subscribe button like you mean it, and ring that little bell so we can keep in touch. And I will see you Lock Stars next time.